was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. You slow down time. We were just two lovers, feet up on the dash, driving nowhere fast, burning through the summer. Radio on blast, make the moment last. She got solar power, minutes feel like hours. She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine falling like I did for the love of my life? She's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. You slow down
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell,
Buko dari kaki membaliknya
it was dark
malam
and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet.
Selamat siang pemirsa, kembali lagi bersama kami dalam program Berita Siang.
I never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the games you play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a
Anda
to you
tidak peduli apa kata orang lagi.
you say they were never true, never true.
Orang rasa
You
kaya
you
lagi.
would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain and locked us into the flames. buka mata, menyambut hari baru penuh harapan.
Apa kabar kau di sana? Ingat janji, waktu terus berlalu, takkan ku ingkari.
To the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang dan salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Yang kami hormati rekan-rekan semua, Bapak Ibu Guru, terus adik-adik mahasiswa PPL. Kita bisa berkumpul di sini berkaitan dengan launching buku hasil dari Bapak Ibu serta anak-anak di SMK 2 Bokerto. Bapak Ibu serta anak-anakku sekalian, ini adalah suatu karya yang luar biasa. Kalau orang yang tidak tahu alah buku apa, paling tidak dibaca dan hanya sebagai suatu pajangan. Tapi kalau kita nikmati, kita cermati, ini adalah sesuatu yang luar biasa. Terciptanya satu buku pasti melalui proses yang panjang, dan maaf, tidak semua orang bisa menulis yang akhirnya tercipta suatu buku. Terima kasih. Jangan anggap sepele ini. Seperti tadi saya matur, ini perlu proses, perlu ketelitian, perlu kesabaran yang akhirnya bisa menjadi sebuah hasil karya buku. Orang yang bisa begini, saya sangat percaya, insya Allah antara 3 titik ya, apa ya? Satu otak, kedua ini adalah cerminan dari okol emosi. Antara okol emosi, okol itu otak, okol yang akhirnya kembali ke hati segitiga. Ini luar biasa. Pupuklah itu, insya Allah, walaupun sedikit, tapi insya Allah akan sangat berguna hasil dari kalian. Pupuklah itu. Launching buku hasil karya Bapak Ibu Guru serta siswa dinyatakan. Terima kasih. Semoga insya Allah ini menjadi dasar kita untuk berjalan ke depan lebih baik lagi, terutama untuk SMK kita, SMK Negeri 2 Purwokerto. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.